Baan was a vendor of enterprise resource planning software that is now owned by Infor Global Solutions. Baan or Baan ERP was also the name of the ERP product created by this company. History: the Baan Corporation was created by Jan Baan in 1978 in Barneveld, Netherlands, to provide financial and administrative consulting services. With the development of his first software package, Jan Baan and his brother Paul Baan entered what was to become the ERP industry. The Baan company focused on the creation of enterprise resource planning software. Jan Baan developed his first computer program on Durango F-85 computers in BASIC language. In the early 80s, Baan company began to develop application on Unix computers with C and self-developed Baan C language, whose syntax was very similar to BASIC language. Baan gained its popularity in the early 90s. Baan software is famous for its dynamic enterprise modeler, technical architecture and its 4 gallons language. Baan 4 gallons and tools nowadays is still considered to be one of the most efficient and productive database application development platforms. Baan became a real threat to market leader SAP after winning a large Boeing deal in 1994. It went IPO in 1995 and became a public listed company in Amsterdam and US Nasdaq. Several large consulting firms throughout the world partnered to implement Baan for multinational companies. It acquired several other software companies to enrich its product portfolio, including Antilles, Aurum, Berkelane, Coda and Caps Logistics. Sales growth rate was once claimed to reach 91% per year. However, the fall of the Baan company began in 1998. The management exaggerated company revenue by booking sales of software licenses that were actually transferred to a related distributor. The discovery of this creative revenue manipulation led to a sharp decline of Baan's stock price at the end of 1998. In June 2000, facing worsening financial difficulties, lawsuits and reporting 7 consecutive quarterly losses and bleak prospects, Baan was sold at a price of $700 million to Invens, a UK automation, controls, and process solutions group to become a unit of its software and services division. Laurens van der Tang was the president of this unit. With the acquisition of Baan, Invens's CEO Alan Yurko began to offer sensor-to-boardroom solutions to customers. In June 2003, after Alan Yurko stepped down, Invens sold its Baan unit to SSA Global Technologies for $135 million. Upon acquiring the Baan software, SSA renamed Baan as SSA ERP Lane. In August 2005, SSA Global released a new version of Baan, named SSA ERP Lane 6.1. In May 2006, SSA was acquired by Infor Global Solutions of Atlanta, a major ERP consolidator in the market. Product version: Triton 1.0 to 2.2D, 3.0 to last version of Triton is 3.1BX, then the product is renamed to Baan, Baan 4.0 and industry extensions, Baan 5.0, Baan 5.1, 5.2, SSA ERP 6.1/Infor ERP Lane 6.1/Infor 10 ERP Enterprise /Infor Lane ERP Lane 6.1 FP6, released in December 2009 ERP Lane 6.1 FP7, released in January 2011 ERP Lane 6.1. FP8, released 2012 Infor Lane 10.3, released in July 2013. Infor ERP Lane 6.1 supports Unicode and comes with additional language translations. Supported platform and database: Server Platform, Windows Server, Linux, IBM AIX, Sun Solaris, HP UX, AS400, obsolete, OS 390, database, Oracle, DB2, Informix, MySQL Server, MySQL, BISAM, BTAM, Standard Modules, Baan 4 Modules, Common, Finance, Project, Manufacturing, Distribution, Process, Transportation, Service, Enterprise Modeler, Constraint Planning, Tools, Utilities, Baan DEM ERP Lane 6.1 Modules, PDM Baan IV, Conversion, Enterprise Modeler, Common, Taxation, People, BP, Financials, Project, Enterprise Planning, order management, electronic commerce, central invoicing, manufacturing, warehouse management, freight management, service, quality management, object data management, tools add-ons, TL, development utilities, Baan Virtual Machine, BSHELL. BSHELL is the core component of Baan Application Server. It is a process virtual machine to run Baan 4 Gallons language. BSHELL were ported to different server platforms and make Baan program scripts platform independent. For example, a Baan session developed on Windows platform can be copied to Linux platform without recompiling the application code. BSHELL is similar to nowadays Java VM or .NET CLR. See also, comparison of accounting software, references. External links, Infor, Baan ERP at PC Mag, Jan Baan the Software Man at the Register, Baan News.